In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply payments to invoices in QuickBooks Online. If you've already sent an invoice to a customer and they've paid you, the next step is making sure that payment is properly recorded in QuickBooks Online. This is important because it marks the invoice as paid, keeps your customer balance accurate, and helps your books stay clean and up to date. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to apply a payment to an existing invoice in a simple and organized way. Start by going to the top of your QuickBooks Online dashboard and clicking the plus New button. In some versions, this may appear as plus Create, but it serves the same purpose. This is where you'll find the tools for entering transactions and managing your day-to-day bookkeeping tasks. From the menu that opens, select Receive Payment. This takes you to the Payment Entry screen, where you can connect a customer's payment to the invoice they've already been billed for. It's a key step because receiving a payment is different from creating a new sale. Here you're recording money that came in for an invoice that already exists. Next, choose your customer from the customer list. Once you select the customer, QuickBooks will usually display any open invoices connected to that customer under the Outstanding Transactions section. This makes it much easier to find the correct invoice without searching through your records manually. After that, go to the Payment Method box and choose how the customer paid you. For example, this could be cash, check, bank transfer, or another method that matches the transaction. Selecting the right payment method helps keep your records more accurate and can also make reporting easier later on. Then under Deposit To, choose where the money should go. This step tells QuickBooks which account should receive the payment. Depending on how your business handles incoming money, you may send it to a bank account or to undeposited funds. Make sure this matches the way you actually process your deposits, so your accounting stays aligned with your real-world banking activity. Now enter the payment amount in the Amount Received field. Be sure this matches exactly what the customer paid. Accuracy here is important, especially if you're applying payments regularly and want to avoid balance issues. Once that's done, find the correct invoice in the Outstanding Transactions section and check the box next to it. This is the action that applies the payment to that invoice and updates its status accordingly. Finally, click Save and Close. That's it. The payment is now recorded and the invoice should reflect that it has been paid.